Enzo now, 160 on the bar, second attempt to record a snatch lift. There we go.
That was perfect then, wasn't it? Again, a super, a big lad who moves quick. That's what you want to see in the supers.
Definitely.
Good enough. I suspect it's because the Asian nations would lobby against it,
Yeah.
as there was no participation whatsoever in that class.
So 55 was obviously the compromise, the sensible compromise. Enzo Kawoge, 210 kilos, second attempt. Oh, it was a bit short that, wasn't it?
Oh. Struggling to stand up and extend his knees.
Sorry if you heard any naughty words across the stream.
Shows that he does speak a little English. If you heard the stream, you might have heard the
F word,
the special English term that he used.
The F word is pretty universal.
Hang on,
one second.
1 second. They might have overturned that lift for swearing on the platform. No, they haven't. We're all good.
No, the lift is good. I think they might have just been mentioning.
Tell him
to tone down his language.
kindly consider his audience.